Want to get your hands on some free crypto in 2025? Crypto Faucets might be the easiest way to start, if you know which ones are legit. In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the best crypto faucets worth checking out this year. Crypto faucets reward you with a small amount of cryptocurrency for simple tasks like viewing ads, filling out surveys, or playing games. We'll cover 5 picks for 2025, each offering a different way to earn from platforms. And remember, if you're earning tokens from faucets, that's a taxable income in most countries. Koinly can help you track and report it automatically. But before we dive deeper into this video, Koinly assesses these platforms based on publicly available information. Any information is accurate at the time of recording. This is not an endorsement of any specific provider, service, or offering. It is not a recommendation to trade or use any services. Users should still carry out due diligence before trading. Okay, let's jump to number 1 in our list in no particular order, freebitco.in. The veteran running since 2013 with hourly free rolls and referrals, a large user base and consistent payouts. They have extra features like a betting platform if you want more engagement. Okay, number 2 on our list is Cointiply, multi-crypto rewards. You can earn BTC and more via games, videos, and surveys. They offer a simple interface which is beginner friendly. And they have multiple earning routes so it doesn't get stale. Okay, number 3 on our list is FaucetPay. The all-in-one hub aggregates faucets, micro tasks, and games. They offer a built-in wallet, swaps, and have low fees. They also have referral bonuses to scale earnings. Number 4 on our list is RollerCoin, gamified mining. Play minigames to build virtual hash power for real crypto. They support BTC, Ethereum, Doge, and others. It's a fun alternative to traditional faucet claims. Alright, last on our list is BTC Clicks, paid ad views. It's a pretty straightforward platform. You earn BTC by viewing ads. There's frequent claim opportunities and low effort. It's reliable with a long history of payouts. Okay, those are the 5 options we had time for today, but there's plenty other ones worth mentioning. There's Fire Faucet, Moon Bitcoins, Bitcoinker, Altcoins, and these are all great options, but today we focused on variety and reliability. With these out of the way, let's talk about some tips for using crypto faucets in 2025. Make sure to stick to reputable platforms and read recent reviews. Check payout minimums and frequency. Consider using a separate wallet for faucet earnings. Set realistic expectations. Small amounts add up over time. And lastly, track your rewards for taxes with Koinly. Alrighty, there you have it, 5 reliable crypto faucets in 2025. Whether you're testing the waters or staking a little extra on the side, they can be a simple way to get involved. When your rewards start building up, let Koinly handle the tax side automatically. And lastly, information on topics like this is constantly changing, so be sure to check out our blog that's regularly updated by our content team for latest information. If you've got a favorite faucet or tips to boost earnings, drop a comment down below and let us know. If you enjoyed this video, consider dropping a like and subscribing for more crypto content. I'll see you next time. Peace.